Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Saldivar. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, mwah, thank you so much. I appreciate the love. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video. I recently went to Louis Vuitton and splurged a little bit, got myself and my hubby some goodies. I just want to preface by saying that this video is not intended to be a bragging video or a showy offy video, if you will. I'm doing this video because I think that there's people like myself out there that really enjoy these unboxing videos and can appreciate the art that some of these designer pieces really are and all of the work that goes into creating them and the quality and just the artistic value behind them. I personally don't buy designer goods because I feel the need to impress other people. I buy them because they are personally satisfying for me and they're a reminder to myself that if I just continue to work really hard, I can have anything that I set my mind to. Anyways, I'll get off my soapbox, but if you would like to see these Louis V goodies, then please keep watching. I have a few smaller items that I'm going to open first, and I'm going to leave the bag for the very end. If you want to see the bag, you gotta stay for the entire video. Or you could just fast forward, but don't do that because then you're gonna miss all the good stuff. So let us begin. Let's start with this little guy, and I haven't opened any of these since I purchased them because I wanted to film this video for you guys, so let's start with this one. And then I love how everything comes with its own little dust bag. Oh, I think I know which one this one is. This is a passport holder. So I got this for Andy for our upcoming trip in September. We're going back to Capri. If you haven't seen the vlog, the Italy vlog, go check it out. It's lit. It is a beautiful brown leather. And then on the inside, probably gonna get it hot stamped with his initials right here. So this is the first item. Moving on to another bag. Let's do this one. Cute wrapping. Ooh. Oh, this is a fragrance that I bought. It is called, I'm gonna butcher this. I do not speak French anymore. I used to, but I don't anymore. Rose de Vence? Rose de Vence? I don't know. If you know how to pronounce that correctly, leave me a comment below. Send me a DM. Show me how to pronounce it. Let's open this bad boy. It's nice to see that Louis Vuitton keeps that same like clean aesthetic with their products, especially with this packaging. See the gold LV up top. Very minimalistic packaging. I like it. Very clean and elegant. Ooh, I'm scared to open this. Please don't fall. Ooh, there she is. And this is a smaller version. They have a larger one, but they didn't have it in stock. I'm gonna have to spray this. And for those of you wondering what the notes are on this one, they are actually 3 different types of roses. It's not too overwhelming. It's very feminine. Might have a little bit of musk in there, even though the guy told me it was just rose. But I am so happy I got this. I love this fragrance, and this is going to look beautiful in my closet, on my tray with my other perfumes. And let's move on to the next. Since we're on the topic of fragrances, let's open this one. This one I bought for Andy, so you can see in terms of size, this is the large one in comparison to the rose scent that I got. It opens here on the side, so very easily you can just pop it open, keep the box as a keepsake. Ooh, this one's silver. Oh my god, I can't get it out of the box. You guys, I can't get it out of the box. Okay, there we go. So you can see in terms of size, this is the smaller version, this is the full version, the larger version. So this one is called, again, I'm gonna butcher this, L'Immensité. L'immensité. And I love how this one smells. I told Andy he's not allowed to wear this one in public, only around the house. Let me spray that into the air. Sometimes I feel like I love men's cologne more than I love women's fragrances because I don't know. I just love that. Am I weird? Am I the only one that does that? Ladies, do you ever wear your man's cologne? I don't know. So you can see in terms of the size difference, again, between the rose one that I got and then the men's version, pretty significant difference. 6.8 fluid ounces, the large one, and then the smaller one is 3.4. So exactly double. Magnetic cap. And then these two can be friends. Next item. This one, I'm not gonna unwrap the bow because I could easily access the product just through this little hole. This is a little card holder that I purchased to match my bag. And I know that a lot of women prefer to have like the larger wallets. Personally, I prefer a little card holder such as this because I feel like it takes up less space in my bag, it takes up less real estate, and I'm just used to having things that are easily accessible. I don't want to have to go unzip a wallet every time that I'm trying to get a card or get some cash. This is the beautiful black epi leather, and then it's very understated. It has the LV logo here on the side. So it's not in your face Louis Vuitton, which I really like. It's more elegant. Not to say that the logos or the monogram and the damiers are not elegant, but I just wanted something different this time. So looks like this one holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it also has a pocket in the middle where you can put some cash if you do have cash, or your lip gloss, whatever. So I'll put this back into its little pouch. And last but certainly not least is this gorgeous bag that I fell in love with the moment that I saw it. And you can see how big this box is. I've never received a Louis Vuitton box this big when I've purchased something before. So I am super excited to unbox this. Like I said, I haven't opened it since I bought it. I probably wouldn't be able to recreate this really pretty bow. Let's open it, shall we? Oh, yes. So it looks like this is also a magnetic closure. This box is massive, you guys. Ooh. Whoop, whoop. You turn it this way. I hope all of this is getting on camera. And, ooh, I like how the new dust bags are kind of following that same theme with the blue. So let's take this baby out. Put the box away. Undo this. Oh, smells like a fresh bag. Oh. So this is the Louis Vuitton Freedom bag. I love this bag because I was looking for something that was big enough for me when I travel for work, that I could fit my laptop in. It has this beautiful gold trim. And here is one of the main reasons why I bought this bag, because of these side zippers that you can see here. So these side zippers actually open, and it gives a bag a completely different look. So you can wear it like this, or you can open the sides and they just pop out. Which I think that looks stunning. It also looks stunning just, you know, as is, but I like having the option to expand the bag, make it bigger if I need to. And it also comes with a zipper up top, which for me, zippers are really important. I'm always paranoid that I'm gonna lose something. The fact that it has a zipper is a must. Another zipper on the inside. So you can put your phone in here. pretty roomy. It also comes with an additional shoulder strap that you can place onto these little clasps right here. You can see there. So I can go ahead and do that. I probably won't ever use it that way. I probably use like a crossbody bag for that purpose. But again, I do like having that option. This is the Freedom bag, as I mentioned. I love the gold detailing on it. I'm a sucker for black and gold. Even if you're not wearing gold, even if you're wearing silver, I think this bag is still timeless enough to where you can just pull it off with literally anything that you're wearing. The bag also has feet, which these for me are a must, because there's nothing worse than having a gorgeous bag and then setting it down someplace, getting it dirty, getting it scratched. So having these feet definitely help in preserving the life of the bag. Anyways, so I'm going to zip this back up, and the zippers are always so soft. That's how you can always tell a counterfeit bag. Sometimes the zippers are really rough. A zipper on a designer bag should be like butter, like this. Boom. I'm gonna put this baby away. All right, so that is it for the Louis Vuitton haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more unboxing videos like this, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, let's forget how strong that is. Oh, get it together, Lucy. Get it together. Get it together. Blah, 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 blah.